Bucket list ticked off. Hello guys, welcome to Smruti with GK. So today is Gaurav's birthday. It's January 18th today and we are on our way to the Whistler. The views throughout our road journey is amazing. It's so beautiful. And हम सुबह से थोड़े भूखे हैं क्योंकि हमने टाइम कैलकुलेट नहीं करा था तो फिर we have not had much food from home. I have something planned for him so we are just gonna reach at that location on the right time. So after that we'll go for some food. तो पहले सरप्राइज दे देते हैं उसके बाद खाना खिलाते हैं. कल रात को we went for a very nice dinner actually to a very to an authentic Italian restaurant in downtown. It was an amazing experience. Right, Gaurav?
Yeah, I like the tiramisu the most.
So how I came up with this Italian restaurant. So I asked him, what do you want for your birthday? And he said, just let me have a tiramisu cake on my birthday since nowadays we have cut on so much on sugar. So he was like, just let me have a tiramisu cake on my birthday. That's it. That's everything I want. So I did my research about like where can I find the best tiramisu in Vancouver, and then I came up with this Italian kitchen that they make the tiramisu on the table side and then they serve it to you with the fresh cream and all. And then I was like, अगर हम tiramisu खाने जा रहे हैं, the Italian food was also like one of our bucket list kind of thing. तो वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया हमारे सामने ही. They made the truffle pasta in front of us in the cheese, like literally on the cheese. It looked so amazing and it tasted so good. And then Gaurav got red sauce pasta. We shared both of that. So overall, the dinner experience was really good. The staff was very nice. The ambience was so good. तो अच्छा रहा हमारा कल का डिनर ईव एक्सपीरियंस. एंड टुडे बस वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू विस्लर. We have almost arrived. It's just we are running late for our adventure, for his birthday adventure. Hopefully we will reach there on time. Just fingers crossed. So that was all about yesterday's like birthday eve dinner. So हमने पहले car rental ली because on both of our cars we don't have the winter tires, and to go to Whistler you need winter tires. Although आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है, there is no snow, nothing. Everything looks very bright and colorful. It just looks very beautiful. I am looking forward to our adventure today for his birthday trip. And this is Gaurav's birthday surprise! So guys, we are going to take off our helicopter and this is the first time I'm gonna go on a helicopter ride. I'm so excited.
Yes, super excited.
Guys, we saw heaven. We literally saw heaven in Whistler, especially when you are in random helicopters. It was an amazing experience. We loved it. And the birthday surprise is a lit. It's a lit. It's even a surprise for me. Okay, so now we are back from our helicopter ride. How was the surprise, Gaurav?
So amazing. It was one of a kind experience.
Must do experience, right? Okay, so after the ride, we picked up some food from Tim Hortons. So there are 2 bowls.
Yeah.
Let's have some food.
Yeah.
सुबह से नहीं खाया कुछ. So 3 बज रहे हैं, अभी हम खा रहे हैं हमारे हेलीकॉप्टर राइड के बाद. लिटरली मैं भूल गई थी कि मैं भूखी हूँ जब मैं इतनी ऊपर थी. Oh my god, the terrains, the mountains, the view, everything was just so amazing and the weather was complimenting to it. So after having the food, we are here in the Whistler village. हम Whistler village बहुत बारी आए हैं, but आपको आज हम फर्स्ट टाइम लेके आ रहे हैं Whistler. गौरव कैसा लग रहा है तेरे को तेरा बर्थडे ट्रिप?
It is so amazing.
You
Full
like
of
it?
fun, yeah. And surprises.
Yeah. It is our first time experience being in helicopter. और जैसे ही वो फ्लाइट ले रही थी, oh my god, मेरा हार्ट ऐसे फ्री फॉल हो रहा था, मेरे हार्ट के अंदर फ्री फॉल हो रहा था.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and they were like the pilot, he was turning the helicopter to give us thrill. वो थ्रिल के लिए माउंटेन के बिल्कुल द एज वहां से हमें हेलीकॉप्टर घुमा के लेके जा रहा है. इट वाज अ थ्रिल एक्सपीरियंस बट वी
Fun आ रहा था, like we are in a ride. Yeah.
गौरव was speechless at that time. मैं बोल रही हूँ, गौरव मेरी फोटो ले, गौरव ये वीडियो बना, गौरव हमें व्लॉग बनाना है, गौरव. एंड गौरव was like, he was speechless. He was like, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, मैं बस देख रहा हूँ. He was just enjoying everything. But yeah, that's what I wanted for him. Okay, let's explore the Whistler village. So Whistler is like Shimla of Chandigarh. तो यहाँ पे जैसे हम चंडीगढ़ से शिमला चले जाते हैं बात पे, तो वैंकूवर से लोग विस्लर आते हैं. इट्स अ क्यूट माउंटेन विलेज टाउन. देयर आर सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज टू डू ऑल ईयर अराउंड हियर. समर्स में यहाँ पे बाइकिंग एंड ऑल होती है, विंटर्स में यहाँ पे स्कीइंग, लोग गोंडोला के लिए आते हैं. आज हमने बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, एक और हेलीकॉप्टर राइड. तो विंटर का अपना ही मज़ा है यहाँ पे. लोग विंटर्स में वैंकूवर से यहाँ पे स्नो देखने आते हैं, बट आज यहाँ पे स्नो नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी मेरे को थोड़ा स्नो देखने को मिलेगा, बट नो, वेदर इज ऑल क्लियर. इट्स सनी, इट्स कलरफुल, द वाइब इज evergreen here actually, so I'm loving it. And today we are here on a Sunday, so there are a lot of tourists in Whistler, lot of tourists, so it's crowded and looking fun to me. Gaurav is chilling around. Gaurav bas enjoy kar raha hai. Gaurav is
Look something.
okay. We are actually going to get a coffee. Let's get a coffee, है ना? So let's get a coffee from Arabica. Gaurav, one word for my outfit.
Fluffy, fluffy.
Gaurav always has one word for my outfit. कभी मैं पिंक डालती हूँ तो he is like, today you look peachy. So guys, it's time to go back to home, and before we head towards home, we are having our dinner for the day. This is actually lunch and dinner combined.
Supper.
Yeah, supper. So we are having black pepper chicken curry and rice. We got it in Squamish while going back to home. So bas that's it for today. Do like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.